It is given in this question, a cube solid is made up of two elements A and B. Element A forms CCP while atoms of element B occupy one-third of the tetrahedral voids. We need to find out the formula for the given solid. CCP structure means this is a cubic closed pattern. It is given here the CCP lattice is formed by the atoms of element A and the number of tetrahedral voids generated is equal to twice the number of atoms of the element. So we can write the number of atoms in the CCP is A. So the number of tetrahedral voids will be 2A. Now we can write the number of atoms of B, that is equal to 1 by 3 into 2A. Because it is given the atoms of element B occupy one-third of the tetrahedral void. If the number of tetrahedral void is 2A, the number of atoms of B will be 2 by 3 into A. Now we can write the ratio between A and B, that is equal to 3 divided by 2. So the molecular formula for the given solid is A3B2.